Hello! This free daily schedule spreadsheet template is a handy tool for anyone who wants to plan their day effectively and stay organized. Whether you are a student, a professional, or a homemaker, this template can help you keep a track of your daily tasks, appointments, and events. The template has a simple yet effective layout that makes it easy to use. The column B of the sheet has the time slot with the difference of 30 minutes between each row. You can also edit these time slots. Let's say I want to make the difference of 60 minutes instead of 30 minutes. Just type here, click and drag, and here you go. The column C to I are where you can add your schedule for each time slot. You can enter your tasks, appointments, or events for each day of the week in these columns, and the rows 3 and 4 are where you can see the date and the day of the week. These rows are automatically updated based on the week date that you enter in the column C and C2. You can see these rows are automatically updated. This template is fully customizable. You can add and remove rows, and you can also add the notes and the to-dos. Rows, just type the number of the rows that you wanna enter and click on the add button, and you can see 10 rows are added. One of the best feature of this daily schedule spreadsheet template is that it is available for free. You can download this free template from the link in the description and start using it right away. It is compatible. You can access it from anywhere and on any device. With this daily schedule spreadsheet template, you can stay on the top of your tasks and appointments, avoid overlapping schedule, and make the most of your day. Try it out for yourself and see how it can help you stay organized and productive. Bye bye.